So we know that keeping on top of your blood pressure and knowing your numbers is important and really easy to do yourself. I'm going to show you step by step how you can do this from the comfort of your own home. Firstly, you'll need a blood pressure measuring device, and I'll provide a link below of some validated devices. You should aim to take your blood pressure at the same time each day. Remember, blood pressure varies throughout the day, so it's important to be consistent. Sit in a room that's quiet and where you're comfortable. Make sure that your back is supported on the chair and that your legs are uncrossed. Wear something that allows you to uncover your upper arm, then relax for 5 minutes. It's important not to exercise or drink any caffeinated drinks at least 30 minutes before you do this. Rest your arm on the table in front of you, which should be at the same level as your heart, with your palm facing upwards, and then put on the blood pressure cuff, just an inch above your elbow crease. And make sure that the arrow is pointing down the center of your arm. Then tighten the cuff, enough so you can still fit 2 fingertips. And then press start on the machine. Once you press start, the cuff will start to inflate and tighten around your arm. This shouldn't be painful, maybe slightly uncomfortable. After a few moments, it'll start to deflate, and then you'll see your number, your blood pressure, appear on the screen. Record that number and then do it a second time after about 5 minutes. So it's important to be accurate. And it's as simple as that.